What's up, YouTube? So today, guys, guess what? We're gonna be doing a teardown of this phone right here. So, this is the same phone that I did the Drewberry test. I'll put the Drewberry test link in the description if you guys want to check that out. But also, the phone is off, as you can see. And press the power button, nothing happens. So today, we're gonna do a teardown of this phone. But I'm not gonna screw anything else. I'm just gonna remove the back and the battery. And that's it. Okay, guys. So let's get started. Very neat little packaging. Might be damn cool. Funny too. Alright, so now we're gonna start removing the in the back. So I'll go ahead and stick my little thing in here. Also, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult to get this thing here. It's a little bit more difficult as it looks. Let's try like this. So I'm gonna put my finger down here. Alright, now I got in here now. And not think refresh my can. Oh jeez. Got it. Okay, now let's go ahead. Let's stick this guy in here. And then here is the battery. This is the 240 milliamp battery. Bunch of options. And here is the back inside, I think. But I'm not going to screw anything else. Also, the camera was made of plastic. I didn't see that video. Also, the screws is inside the display. So I'm not going to put anything. I'm not going to screw anything back in. So, yeah. So, then the flash is here. And here's the SIM card. Did a bunch of screws, but I'm not going to screw anything else because it's pointless to do anything. So let's go ahead and put the battery in first. Then we'll put the back panel back on in there. Just put this thing, make sure it's all sealed in. And there we go. So guys, if you guys want to see any teardown videos, go guys in the comments. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, go and smash the like button. If you guys drop a like, and make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, anyways guys, see you. So yeah, peace out. I'll see you guys around.